Looks to slip it through. Shooting chance! Yes! Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be underway very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. I'm Peter Drury, and it's my chance to say that it is an absolute delight to have Jim Beglin beside me.
Glad to be here, Peter, and I'm ready to rumble.
The lineups, we can have a look at them now. The whistle. Looks to dink one in. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Well, he simply failed to just put a little more oomph behind that.
Nico tries running with the ball at his feet. Now the pass. Shapes to shoot. Good stop. That wasn't easy.
Much more than a routine save for me, and yet he just coped with room to spare.
Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Aimed long and direct. De Silva tries a through ball. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. Can he finish? Too long to get the shot away.
Well, look, that's what happens when you're caught in two minds. You just don't know what you're doing. I just really like the way they've started with such intensity, Peter.
Cuts it out. Isco pumps it upfield. That's a throw. Tried to play it through.
I timed this run brilliantly, and I think he has every right to be a little annoyed with the passer then, and I think he's letting him know right now about that. Just a little more behind it was needed.
Passes it through. Ball's loose, who's getting there? No complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. It's a loose ball. Forward it goes. Looks like a good ball through. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. And that would have been some goal.
Well, after such an exciting run, I really thought, Peter, he was going to round it off in style.
Up for a header! Goal! That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
Knocks it towards the front. There's no flag. Aimed in towards the centre. This could fall anywhere. Gets good distance on it. Ferdinand plays it into the channel. To the flank. Nico could try cutting inside here. Hits it first time! Just couldn't quite turn it in.
Yeah, and it all came from very good trickery in the wider position, but quite a static defence. Was pretty fortunate to survive that little episode. It should have been much worse.
Aim forward. A real chance to break. He's away! Oh, terrific run to latch onto it, but the finish is all wrong.
It almost looked like the perfect marriage, the way the long pass was delivered so exactly into the runner's path, and it's a shame it led to nothing.
Progress he's made on the ball. Where to next?
Well, we were unlikely to see a goal then because there were so many players crowding out that danger area. I think something very special was going to be needed.
Looks to slip it through. Shooting chance! Yes, it's in!
Well, it certainly livened things up a bit, and that next goal now is absolutely crucial.
Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, they're back on level terms, so the guessing game goes on. As to what will happen from here, I've no idea.
Hits one! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
And it just goes to show you how effective those through balls can be. All it needed was a better execution.
to meet it! Knocks it away. It's anyone's ball. Clock. Passes it through. The chances keep on coming. They're awarded another corner. Loose. And the half-time whistle goes. So in they come for the break with nothing to separate them. The score 1-1. There's the whistle then to start the second half. Alves. Beckham. Who's going to make this theirs? That always looked inevitable. The defence dealt with that really well. Rigo. Spoon forward, and that's a throw. Beckham. Jaime boots it upfield. Now here's the through ball. Too long and over the line.
It's a busy front line, lots of movement.
And is that working for you?
Well, not really. To be honest, I'm not a great fan of taking goal potential away from the penalty box.
Clock. It's a promising run he's making on the right. Well, they could break here. Looks like a good ball through. Loose ball, who's going to get that? It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. That's the throw. Now the pass. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Deftly done. Oh, good interception. Clock. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, he's an elusive customer. He can get between the lines and behind them, so he must be more closely marshalled like that.
Floats one over. Out to the left it goes. Tries a through ball. This is gone, that's a foul. But he can't say now that he hasn't been warned.
Yeah, and he's just entered the last chance saloon. One wrong move now, and he's in trouble. Yeah, he may feign to shoot and just play it into the box.
It certainly looks appetising, well within shooting range. Clock! Tries to get it forward quickly. He's picked him out. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Gets into a dangerous position. Defenders on the back foot. A chance! Oh, the ball's come loose! Aimed long and direct. Isco. Rigo. Good defending, he knew he had to stop it right there. Looks like a good ball through. Has a pop! He scored! And surely now, that is that! Well, you've got to say the odds on him missing from there were very slim.
It's rarely a problem when that much time is afforded in the penalty box. Nobody sensed where the danger was lurking, and the finish was made a lot easier.
Some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Alexis. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Lobs it in gently. Done very well to intervene. De Silva. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Nico. Now the pass. Passes it through. Now here's the through ball. Gets it back. So that's it. It is all over. Well, whatever the shortcomings on either side, it was a great game to watch, just one between them. So a dramatic game decided in its very last moments.
Well, this is